Do you want to search for movies in Netflix and do not know how to? Well, worry not, we're here to help. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to search on Netflix. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type netflix.com and hit on enter right now. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. In case you have not logged in, do log in right now. You can scroll down and search for the movies or anything, but typically that takes a really long time. So let's try to search. Right here on the top of the screen, you will find this magnifying light glass. Simply click on it. Now a text box like this will open up. Simply search for any movie you like. I'm gonna search for something right here. And as you can see, we have successfully obtained the result. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you search on Netflix. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.